Welcome to the Fear the Bug podcast, where each week we bring you a new on-time video that will help you ship software on time.
Who's working on what?
It's the product's design.
With AxleSoft.
You're shipping software on time.
Stressed out?
Yo, everything will be fine.
AxleSoft.
Shipping software on time. Deadlines and deadlines.
Welcome to the Fear the Bug podcast. This is our first episode. This week we're going to talk about notifications and alerts. I get a number of different questions from customers. We're trying to understand notifications and alerts and how they work in the system. So we're just going to take a couple minutes today and just quickly discuss the finer points of these. Notifications and alerts are used when you need to find out information about what's going on in your database, but you would like instant feedback from the system in the form of an email. These emails can be sent to you, they can be sent to your customers, but there's a couple different places that you can set these up in the system. The first is right here under this notification list tab, and also is underneath this alerts tab. These two places here control notifications and alerts on the individual item level. If you have one item in particular, like in this case defect number 6, that you would like to be aware of and be made aware of, you can simply select either notifications or alerts, and you can tie a rule directly to the item. So for defect number 6, I can just add a notification, and then regular notifications are simply change rules, delete rules, add rules. These are very simple rules, but in this case we're tying these directly to defect number 6. So I might create a change rule here, and I could put Kathy, a user, as the recipient of that notification and click save. And so now tied to defect number 6 is this notification rule that's from Kathy. That's it. In the event that it's tied to is that the defect will be changed. We could also tie an alert to defect number 6 by doing the same thing. Now, along with creating notifications and alerts on the item level, we can also do this on the project level. In OnTime 2008, the location of the project alerts and notifications have been moved to make things a little simpler. Now they are underneath the Project Wiki tab. If you go to Project Wiki, you can target the project on the left-hand side. So let's say that we wanted to add this on the intranet site. I could left-click on intranet site, and then down here under Project Notification List and Alerts, these two tabs now represent the project notifications and the project alerts. Okay, so the other thing I'd like to talk about today is specifically dealing with alerts. When an alert is created, and an alert is essentially a notification, but an alert is much more specific. You can actually tie parameters to an alert. When an alert is built, when I go ahead and click, add a new defect alert, and I do that, then I can select a type of alert, and I get questions on exactly what the difference here is. The difference here has to do with how the alert is executed. When I select change field value, and I click next, then I'm building this alert to actually kick off when something in my database occurs. In this case, I can build the alert to be a creation, a change, or either, and then I can build parameters, a series of parameters into this alert. So let's say that I wanted to know, the status, when the status of an item changes from open to on hold, that's one of my conditions, and the priority is high. So in this case, this kind of alert would be that anytime a defect underneath the intranet site changes, and that change consists of the status going from open to on hold and the priority becoming high, only then would the alert action kick off. You can use these kind of alerts to dramatically reduce the amount of emails that you'll be receiving. Now the other kind of alert, if I go back to the beginning of this wizard, the other kind of alert was a filter. The filter alert is different. The filter is time-based. The filter revolves around a filter that you build, and this filter will execute every X number of minutes. This is typical when you have maybe a manager who tells his employees that any defects that are high priority need to be taken care of immediately. So he wants an alert that will email him anytime a defect is open and high priority. So he can create a filter for that and then tie that filter to this alert and then have it send him an email every 60 minutes. So let's say that you've got it set up like this. So you get one email for any items that meet this criteria, In this case, you would only get new emails when new items meet the criteria. But as that previous example, if you're a manager who's watching constantly all your items and you want an update every hour, then you would click this. So even the same item met that criteria hour after hour, you would keep getting emails. So there's all kinds of different ways that you can set these up. But that's a quick run through alerts and notifications in OnTime 2008.
Shipping software on time.
Fear the bug. Fear the bug. Fear the bug, y'all. Fear the bug. Fear the bug, y'all. Fear the bug. Fear the bug, y'all. Fear the bug. Fear the bug.